want to do our transistor. So our transistor has 3 leads on it. The polarity does matter. So we're going to use the actual PCB board to identify how it's going to be placed in. We can see here that it's flat and it has a curve here. Okay, so that curve spot is where the curve of the actual transistor is going to go. You might have to bend the leads a little bit to get them to line up. This one will not sit super flush, entirely flush with the board. Okay, just because there's 3 leads in there. So I'm going to just bend them out a little bit and then go ahead and solder that in. Alright, after I inspect, make sure the solder joint is good, I'll cut these excess leads off.